Hindi naman natin hinuhusgahan yung aking mga kasamahan doon. But of course, gusto lang natin mabigyan sila ng pagkakataon. That if they feel that they have been compromised or they might be compromised, mag-inhibit na sila. Or mag-recluse na sila. While yung rules na on impeachment does not force anyone to inhibit themselves. Siyempre, kanila-kanila na. Kung ayaw namin madungisan ng duda yung hearing na nagaganap at yung impeachment proceeding, then mas maganda na that everyone appears to be impartial at walang maging issue.
Saka sir, simple logic no, nating mga Pilipino. Simple logic, lagi nating, kahit nga sa biruan sir, nasasama yung usapan na kung wala kang tinatago, bakit matatakot? Ba't ka magagalit? Ganun na concept sir.
Yeah, precisely, yun ang punto ko, 'di ba? Kung wala naman tayong kinakatakot, then bakit tayo matatakot ilabas yan? Bakit tayo matatakot na magsalita? 'Di ba? If we feel that we are not the ones being alluded to, then there is nothing to fear, 'di ba? We don't have to be defensive about anything.